If you're on this video, you're probably a beginner in Forex or starting to research how to trade currency. I'm here to tell you, do not look at another video or invest another dime, because everything that you will want to know will be in this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. My name is Patrick Kenney, and on this channel we talk about everything involved in investing in the foreign exchange. If this is your first time here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, also smash that like button to let me know that you like this and you want more content. Trading currency was the vehicle that I used at the age of 17 to begin learning how to invest my own money to multiply it into more money. And by the age of 20, I was able to quit my one and only job, and now I've been able to travel the world, get my bachelor's degree, and make a ton of money while doing it. Now, before we begin, the first step is a foundationary level. What you want to do is you want to let yourself know, even if it's on the video on a piece of paper, that you are deciding to invest in the foreign exchange. You have to make a decision that you want to learn this, and a decision that is going to last at least a year. 95% of traders fail. I do not want you to be another statistic. You want to be one of the 5%. And understanding that you can't quit will help you get through that level and help you succeed in the foreign exchange. Now the next step, the second step, is understanding the verbiage in the market. If you don't know anything about the terminology or how it's used, you're not going to be able to understand any information that you're going to find on the internet, whether it's basic or advanced. So I highly recommend going to a website right now called babypips.com. What that website will do is lay down the foundation of all the terminology you're going to need to know to actually learn the advanced concepts of investing in currency. Now, the third step is finding a solid broker to invest with. You need a broker to actually put the money in to ever have a chance of taking money out. They're basically your bank for investing in the foreign exchange. Now, you're going to find two different types of brokers, regulated or unregulated. What you have to understand is that regulated is going to house your money very, very, very securely. However, unregulated is going to provide advantages to beginner traders with less money to invest. So depending on what country you are in watching this from, search regulated or unregulated, and then in the country that you are in. Such as if you're from the United States watching this, search best regulated brokers in the United States. I highly recommend searching a broker called Oanda if you're in the United States. It's been my by far favorite broker. It's going to help you out tremendously. Now the fourth step is downloading a platform called MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is what is used to analyze the charts, and without having it, you're not going to be able to learn technical analysis, which is the only reason that I've ever been able to make money in the foreign exchange. So go on Google right now and search MetaTrader 4, and this is going to allow you to set up your broker, analyze the charts, and start executing trades today. The fifth step is where things will start to get complicated. This is where you have to define your trading strategy. In the description below, as well as right here, I'm going to link a couple of videos that I've shot on this channel that are going to be very good for you as a beginner trader. However, if you find these videos useful and you are looking to get more advanced in your trading, what I want you to do is simply text FOREX to 480-877-0061. What that is going to do is allow you to text my assistant, who will set you up in an advanced meeting between you and I, so that we can learn about what your goals are in the foreign exchange and get you exactly where you want to be. The sixth step is investing in a good computer. Now, it does not have to be the most expensive laptop. However, there is a common misconception that I want you to understand. You cannot trade from your cell phone. You need at least a computer screen to begin analyzing on the charts properly. There's simply too much data that you need to see, and a cell phone screen will not allow it. So go invest in a decent laptop. It doesn't have to be more than a couple $100s to start investing in the foreign exchange and analyzing those charts. Now, the seventh step, after you have designed your trading strategy, you've gotten on a call with me, you have invested in a laptop, is actually starting to trade yourself. The best way to do this is start with a very little money, but actually trade real money. Trade what's called a micro lot. What a micro lot is the smallest increment that you can possibly trade on MetaTrader 4 and most brokers. And what it's going to allow you to do is have the feeling emotionally of investing real money, but not with the risk of investing a lot of money. The final step is refining your trading strategy. It has taken me years to do. Heck, I'm still doing it day by day now. But what you're gonna have to do is refine your own. Figure out what works for you, chisel it, tweak it, but never give up. If you follow these steps, you're gonna have a much easier time than I did. I wish I had a video like this when I began trading Forex. Again, this is your last reminder. Text the word Forex to 480-877-0061, and that is my personal assistant who will set us up on a meeting at no charge so we can figure out what your goals are and get you to them in the foreign exchange. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have not already, be sure to smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, as well as hit that like button. And before you go anywhere, be sure to comment below what you thought of this video, as well as the style of it, and if you want any videos in the future of a particular topic. Once again, this has been Patrick Kenney. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one.